Hello! Welcome to Kids Buds TV. Are you ready to learn safari animals' names with the alphabet? Come on, kids. Let's explore, learn, and have so much fun together. Now guess. Very good. This is an alligator. Alligators live in water. A is for alligator. Alligators have big teeth and eat fish. Try to guess. Very good. This is a bear. Bears love honey and berries. B is for bear. Bears are big and furry. Can you guess? Very good. This is a cat. Cats love to play and purr. C is for cat. Cats are soft and nap a lot. Guess again. Very good. This is a dog. Dogs run and wag tails. D is for dog. Dogs are friendly pets. Who might this be? Very good. This is an elephant. Elephants have trunks and big ears. A is for elephant. They are huge and smart. What do you think? Very good. This is a fox. Foxes are quick and clever. F is for fox. They have fluffy tails. Look closely. Very good. This is a giraffe. Giraffes have long necks. G is for giraffe. They eat leaves from tall trees. Ready for another? Very good. This is a horse. Horses run fast in fields. H is for horse. Horses are strong and friendly. Here comes one more. Very good. This is an iguana. Iguanas climb and sunbathe. I is for iguana. They have long tails and sharp claws. Keep going. Very good. This is a jaguar. Jaguars hide and sneak quietly. J is for jaguar. They have spots and hunt well. Guess this animal. Very good. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroos hop and carry babies. K is for kangaroo. They jump very far. Another to guess. Very good. This is a lion. Lions roar loudly. L is for lion. They live in prides. Another to guess. Very good. This is a monkey. Monkeys swing and eat bananas. M is for monkey. They are playful and smart. Can you tell? Very good. This is a nala. Nalas live in grasslands. N is for nala. They have stripes and run fast. Guess the next. Very good. This is an ox. Oxen pull loads and work hard. O is for ox. They are big and strong. Try another. Very good. This is a panda. Pandas eat bamboo. P is for panda. They are gentle and cute. Here's a new one. Very good. This is a quokka. Quokkas look like they're smiling. Q is for quokka. They are friendly and small. Who is this? Very good. This is a rabbit. Rabbits love carrots and hopping. R is for rabbit. They have long ears and soft fur. Guess now. Very good. This is a serval. Servals are wild cats with long legs and big ears. S is for serval. Servals can jump high and live in the grassland. Let's see. Very good. This is a tiger. Tigers have stripes and roam jungles. T is for tiger. They are strong hunters. Your turn. Very good. This is a urial. Urials climb rocky mountains. U is for urial. They have curly horns. Want another? Very good. This is a vicuña. Vicuñas live in high mountains. V is for vicuña. They have soft fur. Keep guessing. Very good. This is a wolf. Wolves howl and hunt in packs. W is for wolf. They are smart and fast. Think fast. Very good. This is a xerus. Xeruses dig and run fast. X is for xerus. They stand tall to look around. Keep guessing. Very good. This is a yak. Yaks live in cold mountains. Y is for yak. They carry heavy loads. Last one. Very good. This is a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Z is for zebra. They run in herds.